guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing our Ipsy unboxing. We're just doing it for the Glam Bag Plus this month. We're going to be finishing off the year with our Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So I am going to be doing another video, and it's going to be kind of like a recap of Ipsy here. So that is going to be coming up, so keep an eye out for that because it's going to be kind of fun. I'm excited to do it. I've kept all of my Ipsy bags, so I knew last year at the beginning of the year I wanted to do something for it, so keep an eye out for that. But we're gonna get right into it. You guys know how I do these things. You know where to find everything if you need to, and let's get into it. So this month's theme is Shine On. So let's get into it. I do know that we're gonna be getting a bag this month, which I did see. This is what it looks like. It's silver, and then it's got a blue lining right here with blue ribbon. I kind of like it. It's like just simple. It's kind of plain. There's nothing crazy to it, and I can get on board with this. So the first thing I have is by Complex Culture, and this is the Press and Set Bronzer. Complex Culture was kind enough to send me a PR kit with their brushes inside of this travel case. So I already own this, so I do want to put this away for a giveaway, but this Press Set and Bronzer I've already tried. I really do like it. The other two that I've really been enjoying is the Complex Culture Angled Foundation. It's a little dirty, just keep in mind, but it is like a triangle shaped, and then it has like the smaller concealer one, and I love the way that these apply. I feel like they have just enough stiffness to them that it applies the foundation if you need that full coverage, as well as this concealer. And I actually like the shape of this because I feel like it gets really nicely right inside the inner corners. It's just really nice and easy to blend out, and I've just really been enjoying them. So I actually have them in my daily case over there. But let me know if you guys got this brush, and let me know your thoughts on it down below. The next thing I have is actually the item that I picked out for my customization, and it is the Tarte Stay and Spray Setting Spray. And I actually don't have this. I didn't even know that Tarte made this. I feel kind of terrible about it, like I should have seen it. So it locks makeup in place for 16 hours. It's transfer proof, whiteless, and microfine cucumber and aloe. That's what it is. That's why I like this smell. I'm obsessed with cucumber, like cucumber melon. Ooh. And I think it's just because in middle school, that was like the first scent I ever got. And you would think that I'd be like disgusted by it. I don't know, like, cause the amount I used was ungodly, and I still love that scent. Like to this day, when I go to Bath and Body Works, if I see a cucumber melon, I'll smell it. I won't necessarily buy it because I'm like, I think if I buy it, I'll get really sick of it really quickly, but I just like to take a whiff here and there. And I used to have this brand, I'm sure some of you guys had it too, and I can't remember what it's called, but it was those body mist sprays that you get like Kmart or Walmart, and you would just spray your body with it. Well, I used to spray my body. Then I'd spray it in front of me, walk through it, and then I'd carry it with me at school and I'd spray it. It was a bit obsessive. Next thing I have here is a palette. Ooh, this is a really pretty palette. This is the Magnetic Build Your Own palette by Ipsy, I-T-T-S-E. It is a luxe mirrored palette with a freeform magnetic compartment for makeup singles of all sizes. It looks like you open it up and then you get 4 single shadows in here. I just got some of these single shadows from Buxom, and I don't have the magnetic case that goes with it, so I'm gonna pop them in here. But let's go ahead and swatch these really quickly. All right, so this is 2 swipes of each color. The cream shadow is a nice cream shadow. I'd say like that one's like the most pigmented. They feel a little dry, but we'll see how it applies on the eyes. Yeah, I'll definitely at least use the palette itself. Oh, okay, so then I have this Verso Eye Cream. This is an Extra Nourish, and it's nourishing formula for skin around the eyes. Never heard of this brand, but you guys, I love my eye creams, so I'm always willing to give an eye cream a shot. And then the last 2 things I have in here are lip balms. This is by Noya, and this is a simple and awesome organic peppermint lip balm. Oh, and this one's vanilla. We've been going through lip balms in our house really bad. Like, we have lip balms everywhere in our house right now because our lips are so chapped. Like, we can't keep up with all the kids and myself and my husband. So there's literally lip balms everywhere, like in the couch cup holders, in the car, in the kitchen, in each of our bedrooms. Then I have my Laneige sleeping mask that I put on the kids and myself every night. So I actually appreciate the fact that I got 2 of these, because these will definitely come in handy and they'll go through really quickly. So let me know down below what you guys got for this month and if you guys are excited about it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel, so that way you guys are up to date with my videos. I do upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, but this month I'm kind of throwing videos around as well, so it's always good to have those notifications on just in case. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.